How to change zone in Swiggy. So go to your default browser. From there, search for Swiggy Help and Support. So once you search that, you'll simply have to go to the first option that pops up. And from here, you can see there are like different of the options where you can choose. Like you'll have to go to the duty and delivery options or duty related issues. So if you see duty related issues somewhere like help with queries, so you'll have to go there because that's where you can find how you can change the zone. It's only available for the ones who have like the Swiggy delivery riding like app. And then if you've got that app, the riding app or delivery app, and if you're like got an account, then you'll see a duty related issue. From there, you'll have to go and head towards the zone change section. So after you go there, you will be directly contacted to the support, and once you are contacted to the support, you can simply say them, or for example, you want to request them to change your zone because you're heading towards or you're migrating there. So that's how you do it. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.